Okay. Morning, guys. We're just finding a bit of sand here, getting out over the new spar. Skipper's going all right. Morning, Ryan.
Motors have a grip off, yes.
Heading out here, it's very shallow. We're stirring up a bit of oil sand there, mate. Lift them up a bit more. Anyway, there you go. Oh, we're heading out there. We're going to go out that way. Going to go around here. It's pretty shallow today. Old mate went down through the guts there. Might be just deepening up there now, Ryan.
Yeah, it's a bit deeper around the edge though.
Yeah. Although it hadn't dropped down on the sounder yet. We're just sneaking out. Oh yeah, there she goes, metre and a 1.3. Down through here. And yeah. We'll head out, we're heading out off Sunshine.
Heading to Sunshine Reef, ETR 1300 over.
Tearing away there now, mate. Went out through that corner there, mate, I reckon. Thought you were going. Yeah. I panicked a bit. Yeah, that way. Everybody else is coming this way, but... Yeah, pretty deep through there, but... I think you would have got out through there, but on the plane. This thing doesn't draw much.
Oh, it's better being like that.
Gee, the old motor's steaming a bit. Good's that sunrise. Look at it sitting there, beautiful. Out here off Sunshine. Morning, Ryan.
Morning.
There's back there Sunshine Beach. The headland. Tim Beerwar, Pomona, Pit Barrett, if you can see them. Somewhere out there's Walby, I think. T-War up that way. We're just at the first spot. Had a bit of rebuild the steering this morning with a shifter. That's all right. Yeah.
I would have done
Ryan didn't even swear. I don't know how he did it without swearing. I would have been just, F this, I'm going home. There we are, not a bad looking show on the sounder there. Or sharks, we reckon, all sharks. We'll have a drop here directly, Ryan. We're just going to do a line adrift so we know which way adrift. Nice, the sun's up a bit. I'll come around here. Oh yeah, we've got a nice, Ryan just got our first legal fish of the day, a little nice Moses.
It's a big glove.
Yeah, yeah. Beautiful. Oh, how calm is it? Just beautiful. Motor's running good. Steering's going good. Yes. This is the setup we're running, just a running ball sinker, 2 hooks. I got it. Normally I run the ball up there, but out here in sunshine you put it down there. Well, I do. Ryan, what's Ryan's rig?
Oh, he did the same.
Yeah,
too.
he's got the same twin hooks down.
Yeah.
Yeah, he must have been blind. Check him to see if he's got ice.
Yeah, no,
He's got old glasses on. He must be an old fish.
definitely sick.
Yeah.
Watch me get a tooth through my finger.
Hook. Oh, tooth too.
Yeah.
Righto, I'll put this away. Tell a lie, I'm still filming. Oh, see, there you go, he's icky spickying. Spiking him, brain spiking. Now we cut a gill. Now we put in that bucket. Look at him bleed in the warm water. Righto. Nice. Into the sun. Righto, second fish. Righto, he's done. Put him.
Get the hook in it.
Oh, you're all frayed there too.
Yeah, I know, I might have to change that, sorry.
Just a nice grassy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got the boat caught that one.
Yeah, boat rod caught him, eh? Boat rod holder. We got. I'll see you strike. Right, I strike him. Oh, Ryan's on. Yeah, what is he, Ryan?
Oh, a little red.
Oh yeah, oh, look at that.
Hey.
Yeah, how was that for a setup, eh? He must have been 6 foot under the boat, that boat. Yeah, that's a shallow water red. 3 metres under the boat. No, we dropped him back down to simulate. Got a nice tusky there. Oh, you know, they're only just legal fish, but that's sunshine. Few Moses, few sweeties, starting to get a feed together. Something happened. Let's cut the reds. In here we got 7 sweet lip and a parrot. I'll reroute it again in a minute. And there's Rhino on.
Another little red or something.
Okay. I'll come around this side because it's into the sun. Just as this out on sunshine. Took us, what, all 10 minutes to get here or something. Oh, little yellow sweetie. Headbutt ya. Nice one he just got. Spinning around a bit more.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Beautiful. I just got a yellow again. I won't show you that little squire. He's got to go back, but yeah, 2 squid heads.
That's it.
On each hook, 1 on each hook. Righto. Look how calm it is. Just out here, sitting on our spots. There are about 8 or 10 spots in this area, and they all have fish like this on them here for the next month or so. Then when the winter comes, there's a boat sitting on every one. You might as well go to DI then.
Still got a bit of life.
Nice tusk fish Ryan just caught.
Still got a bit of life in him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look how calm it is. This is the second hang for the day, and we got that. We must have 10 or 15 fish now, Ryan.
Yeah, they're creeping up.
Yeah, look at that. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Well done. I mean, how does it say? Well done? Yeah, well done. I thought that was silly word for a minute there. I don't know what else.
It still probably doesn't make much sense, I suppose. It's just
Oh, probably. Nice big trigger, is it?
see colour.
Oh, nice grassy. Oh, yellow.
Yellow.
He might be legal, but got to be 40, 45. He might just be legal. I think he will be.
He's not. He's probably a little bit. Yeah.
Here you go, close. Put him on the lie detector.
All right. I've got a plastic ruler there. I might just. No.
Yeah. And I'll put those other fish in the esky in a minute. Shoot him on the floor. Can't fall any further then. Yeah, that's the go. What's he got to be? 45, I think, isn't it? Yeah. Make sure he's good.
Yeah, he's. What is he? Probably about 47, but I'll put him on over there.
Yeah.
Just
All right. Look how calm it is now. We just had a yak or camel or something was flying up the coast with floaties under it. We're all just sitting. This is the second hang. We haven't moved. What have we got? 15 or 16 sweeties and
Yeah.
a few other. We've nearly got our 20 fish so far this morning.
We'll go over here.
Yeah. They're not the best eating, but at that size. Oh, he's in.
Yeah.
Yes.
47, I reckon.
Dial him for murder.
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful.
That'll do.
That'll do, pig, that'll do. Okay. Just pull that sweet lip and that nice parrot. We're not I won't say, but we're not far off in case we don't catch it. There they are. Oh, what can I say? Look at that. It's only just here. I think Ryan might have got onto his second litre of fuel with the mighty 90s.
Yeah, $100 worth.
Well, I think you probably do 3 trips on that, won't you?
Yeah,
2?
definitely, yeah.
Anyway, I'll see if he hooks one.
Nah, I think I baited now, eh?
Oh, he's on the camera and he's baited.
Yeah, I did it purposely. I didn't want to pull up a fish.
Okay guys, pulling the pin, it's 12:30. We've got a bag of sweetling, 4 parrot, yellow sweetie and a Moses perch. So yeah, we're heading in. Alright Ryan, hit her. Go the pussycat. Burn a bit of excess fuel.
Yeah. I don't want to come in heavy.
We don't want any fuel left at all. Coming up to the bar. Nice bar, she's as flat as a tack. The skipper here, he'll handle it. Notice how he just rides blind. No hands on the wheel. Was an easy car crossing. The hole like that would be beautiful. Nice work, skipper. That was a lily pond, but oh well. That's us. See you later.